that's it right there, Dave. You're good right there. Maybe a touch to driver. Right there. Now cut back.
The air down at all?
Yeah, it was squashed on the trailer. There it is.
Oh, got to bump it a little bit. That's the line.
That's the line, bud. Your front's climbing over here. It's a little slick. You just gotta, the only thing really holding you up is right at your rear tire. The front's climbing at the same time though. You just need a bump.
Bump it.
It popped too. We heard a noise when it happened.
Did you see it on the video?
Yeah. He's been up here. He's got a red JK like mine.